All right, folks, we back here with you. We're going to get this bannock out and check to see if it's about done. And I'm sure there'll be some edges on it that's burnt, but that's okay when you're camping out like this or cooking out like this. Oh, look at that, baby.
Yeah, it looks good.
Folks, I want to tell y'all, this is my mountain woman, Anna. Say hi to everybody, Anna.
Hello.
And we're going to try out some of this here bannock and got a little butter to put on it, a little apricot jelly. I'll let y'all look at it. Man does it. Bannock goes all the way back. Going back to the Civil War, them old boys there, they'd get out here cooking like this, and that was one of their staples, was bannock. Sometimes I guess that's all they did have. But I'm gonna tell you, this rock oven right here, it gives it a taste that you just don't get in a regular oven. I mean, it's just something about that way that fire comes over that rock and it hits the top of that. It just gives it a flavor that's just, it's good, ain't it, sweetheart?
It's good. I'm not complaining.
And you know, they say bread here's fattening. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm just gonna have to get fat, I reckon. Well, folks, I'm gonna get off here. We're busy eating, and I done told y'all how much I like to eat. And we got that whole pan of bread right there to eat. So thank y'all for watching. And if you like it, me and Anna, we'll make some more of these things and get out here and cook some chicken or some rabbit or squirrel or snake or something. We'll cook something and we'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all have a good one now. Thank you.